Welcome to the Explainer. All right, today we're tackling something huge, a team up that might just change everything about our digital lives. We're talking about AI and blockchain. So, is this a perfect match? Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the game plan. First, we'll look at why these two titans even need each other. Then we'll see how blockchain supercharges AI and how AI does the same for blockchain. After that, we'll get into some real-world examples. And finally, we'll peek into the future. So before we dive deep into the tech, let's just think about this for a second. What if a genius, a real genius, also had a perfect, unchangeable memory? A memory that recorded every single thing with 100% accuracy. That combination, that's really the heart of what we're talking about today. That's the promise of AI and blockchain working together. All right, section 1. Two titans, one problem. To really get why this partnership is so powerful, you first have to understand that on their own, AI and blockchain, well, they're both amazing, but they each have a huge critical weakness. So here's the fundamental problem, right? You've got AI, which is like this brilliant, super powerful brain. It can see patterns and make amazing predictions, but you can't always see how it makes its decisions. It's a black box. And even worse, if you feed it bad data, you get bad results. Garbage in, garbage out. Then you have blockchain. Think of it as a perfect, incorruptible memory. It's a ledger that never forgets and can't be changed. But that's all it is. It's kind of dumb. It can't think for itself. Okay, so how do we start fixing this? This is where blockchain steps up to the plate to supercharge AI. It's all about solving AI's massive trust problem. The first big thing blockchain brings to the table for AI is a concept called data provenance. Now, what is that? Honestly, the best way to think about it is like a digital birth certificate for data. It's a completely verifiable, rock-solid trail showing exactly where a piece of data came from, who's touched it, and how it's changed. It's basically a perfect tamper-proof history, which means the AI can finally trust the info it's learning from. So how does this actually play out? It's pretty straightforward, really. Step 1. You lock your data onto the blockchain. Once it's there, it's immutable. It can't be messed with. Step 2. You train your AI using only this verified, high-quality data. And step 3, and this is the magic part, when the AI makes a call, you can trace that decision all the way back. You can see the exact data that led to it. Suddenly, that black box isn't so black anymore. We're starting to shine a light inside. So you see, the bottom line is this. Blockchain acts as a source of truth for AI. It's not just another database. It's providing that verifiable data, those permanent audit trails, and a secure way to share information. All the stuff AI desperately needs to be truly trustworthy. All right, so we've seen what blockchain does for AI. Now, let's flip the script. It's time for AI to supercharge blockchain. Because let's be honest, while blockchain is super secure, it's also kind of slow, uses a ton of energy, and isn't very flexible. AI is about to give it a major intelligence boost. So the first thing AI does is give a serious upgrade to one of blockchain's coolest features, smart contracts. Normally, these things are pretty basic, right? It's just simple if this, then that logic. If you pay, then you get the thing. But with AI in the mix, whoa. Suddenly, a smart contract can get, smarter. Imagine an insurance contract for a cargo ship that automatically adjusts the premium in real time based on weather forecasts, port congestion, all of that. That's the kind of dynamic logic AI brings. And it's not just about smarter contracts. AI goes right after blockchain's biggest pain points. We're talking about optimizing that crazy energy consumption by analyzing the whole network and finding more efficient ways to process things. And security, AI can be a game changer there too. It can look at network activity and spot potential attacks before they happen. It turns the blockchain from just a passive record keeper into an active, self-defending system. Okay, this is all cool in theory, but what does it actually do? What happens when these two get together out in the real world? Let's check out a few actual applications. First on the list, completely revolutionizing supply chains. Think about it. We're talking about being able to track pretty much anything, from the beans for your morning coffee to critical medicines, all the way from where they were made right to your doorstep. And this is where the magic really happens. The blockchain provides that perfect, tamper-proof log of a product's journey. No one can go back and change the records. Then, the AI comes in and analyzes that pristine data. It can predict demand spikes, figure out the most efficient delivery routes, and even automatically flag potential problems, like a batch of food that might be contaminated. What you end up with is a supply chain that's not just efficient, but one you can actually, truly trust. Okay, next up, let's talk about something even more personal. Healthcare. This is a big one because this team-up could help solve one of the biggest dilemmas we have. How do we use medical data for research without sacrificing our privacy? So, imagine this. The blockchain acts like a super secure digital vault for all your medical records. And here's the key part. You control the key. You decide who gets access, your doctor, a specialist, a research study, and for how long. Then, AI can come in and analyze huge pools of this data, but it's all anonymized. It can look for patterns across thousands of patients to help find new cures or diagnostic methods, all without ever revealing anyone's personal identity. It's the best of both worlds, powerful research and ironclad privacy. So, we've seen how they work together, we've seen what they can do. So what happens next? What does the future look like for this partnership? Well, for one thing, the money involved is just staggering. We're talking about a projected market size of over $100 billion by 2030. That tells you something really important. This isn't just some sci-fi idea anymore. This is a massive technological shift that's happening right now. And really, this quote nails it. The point here isn't just to make our current systems a little bit better. The combination of AI and blockchain is about building the foundation for a whole new kind of digital economy, one that's built from the ground up on intelligence and trust. And that brings us to the big final question, doesn't it? As we put this super smart brain together with this perfect memory. Are we creating a world that's more transparent and accountable for everybody? Or are we just building a more efficient